In this video, we are going to see that if you want to resolve this Google Chrome profile error occurred whenever you're trying to launch Google Chrome as a journal or you're trying to access any particular profile within Google Chrome, here is what you can do. First of all, just open up the start menu and just write here %local app data and close it with the % sign, hit enter. And from here, first of all, just find Google and just go in that folder. It will show you this Chrome folder. Within that, go in here, go into user data, and here we just have to find a default and just scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says web data. Just right click to delete that if you just want to move it to a recycle bin, or you can also hold the shift key and delete it permanently. So I have just temporarily moved it to the recycle bin. And after that, just close out of here, just restart your computer once, and hopefully after that it should work. Guys, just mention down in the comments if it works, and if you find some other solution somewhere else, you can also mention down in the comments so that it can help all the community out here, because we are here to help. So we have to help each other in resolving this issue. So this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.